Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to change region or country on eBay. If you're using eBay and need to change your region or country, whether you've moved, want accurate shipping options, or need your account details updated, it's important to do it the right way. Your location affects everything from shipping costs and delivery times to what items you can buy or sell. The process itself is simple, but many people don't know exactly where to go in the settings, or they update the wrong section and nothing changes. Start by going to eBay and logging into your account. Look at the top left corner and click on your profile icon or name. This will open your account menu. From the drop-down menu, click on Account Settings. This is where all your personal and account-related information is managed. Inside Account Settings, find and click on Addresses. This section contains your registration address, shipping address, and contact details. Now look for the section labeled Registration Address, Email, and Phone Number. Under this section, click on Edit. After clicking Edit, you'll see another section called Personal Info. Click Edit again under this section. Clarification. This is the key area where your country and region settings are actually controlled. Now you'll be able to update your details. Change country, city, and street address. Make sure everything is accurate and matches your current location. Clarification. Your country setting affects marketplace region and shipping options, so incorrect information can cause payment or delivery issues. Once you've updated everything, click Save. Your account will now reflect your new region or country. Using eBay with correct location details ensures smoother transactions and accurate shipping. To summarize, changing your country on eBay involves going to your profile, opening account settings, navigating to addresses, editing your personal info, updating your country and address, and saving the changes. This ensures your account reflects your correct location. And that's how to change your region or country on eBay. It's a simple process, but it has a big impact on how your account functions. Getting your location right means more accurate shipping, fewer issues with orders, and a smoother overall experience whether you're buying or selling. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.